Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show hidden files on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and here go to the settings button. You can find the first section, the general, and click to the file scan option, and go to the other settings section. You can find the last option, the hidden files, show files and folders with names which start with a dot. And if you want to enable this function, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned color, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.